Once your site is fully set up, the real game begins. There is no magic pill that instantly turns attention into clients. The truth is that you need a strategy, one that guides your prospects ethically and effectively toward the conversion stage. Beyond running ads, earning media, or creating content, you must capture that attention. That means collecting key information from the traffic you're bringing in. This is where Mailchimp becomes essential. With it, you can capture your users' email addresses, phone numbers, and names, allowing you to send SMS and email campaigns directly. This empowers you to acquire new customers, maintain current customers, and expand existing customers over time. This approach is known as the hourglass funnel. Now, let's create your Mailchimp account so our support team can help you set up the rest later on. Find the Sign Up button or click Start Free Trial. This stage is important. Many people choose the wrong plan. We recommend selecting the free plan unless you already have a large audience waiting for you. Scroll down and choose the free version. It's perfect for most new projects, just like we do with Supabase, Redis, Cloudflare, and other platforms. To ensure easy access for our support team, choose Sign Up with Email. Avoid the Google Sign-in option, as it may complicate support later. Create a strong temporary password and click Sign Up. Next, verify your email by copying and pasting the link you receive. Once inside, provide your personal details and click Next. Your project or business must also have an address. Enter that information as well. If you're wondering why they request so many details, it's because Mailchimp is a powerful marketing ecosystem. They must comply with marketing and communication laws. Users cannot use this platform carelessly, and that's part of what maintains Mailchimp's reputation. Choose whichever option best describes your business or goals, and continue. Select the marketing channels relevant to your project. Continue through the questionnaire. If your website isn't online yet, you can simply skip the step where they ask for it. However, if your site is already set up, this step can actually help Mailchimp fetch useful assets. Confirm your industry type. If you're just starting, select 0 to 500 when they ask about your audience size. Now comes a crucial moment. Mailchimp will recommend different paid options. They do this because many users genuinely need these features. They're doing a good job by providing suggestions. But if you're just starting out, choose the free plan again, even though you already selected it before. Click Continue for free and wait while they set up your account. Skip the optional steps, and that's it. Welcome to Mailchimp, a powerful ecosystem that will help you turn attention into clients when combined with our website software. Remember, this is all you need to do for now. We'll connect everything to your site later. We highly encourage you to keep learning how to use Mailchimp, especially for newsletters and SMS campaigns. Don't forget to check the description of this video. See you in the next one.